He's eating so fast. That's the liver. I have never seen. The chicken on a spoon. Something happened to him. He's not feeling. He seems shaky, but he wants us here. Honey, he's too shaky. Oh, he's not something's wrong. Are you okay? Your breathing's a little fast. Sweet pea. What's the matter? Huh? What's the matter, Sweet Pea? What's the matter? What's the matter? And welcome backwards. Sweet Pea? Sweet Pea, what you doing? What? Slow down. You're eating too fast. I know you're hungry. I know. Some water. Some fresh water. Come on, good. Somebody with a hat on was looking at me out of the door for some reason while I'm just coming back in. How you doing, little Sweet Pea? I want to feed you. I know. Somebody's looking at me out the. He trusts me, but he's a little bit scared. Very little bit. But he's almost. Tux was great. Tux loved me.